Hello everyone, this is Gopal Krishna from second ECEC having roll number 19BQ 1804E9. Now I want to say about linear transformation of Gaussian random variables in RVSP. Consider an RVS yn n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so up to n having linear transformation with the set of n Gaussian RVs xn n equal to 1, 2, and so on n, that is y1 equal to a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus and so on up to a1n xn, y2 is equal to a21 x1 plus and so on a22 x2 and so on up to a2n x2 and up to extended up to yn equal to an1 x1 plus an2 x2 and so on up to an1 xn, where aij are real numbers. In matrix form, y1, y2 and so on up to yn having left side equal to a11, a12 and so on up to a1n is first row, and a21, a22 and so on up to a2n having second row, and so on up to an1, an2 and so on up to ann in mn form matrix, and so on up to x1, x2 and so on up to xn. This is called equation 2. The transformation matrix T equal to a11, a12, a13 and so on up to a1n is first row, and a21, a22, a23 and so on a2n is second row, an1, an2 and so on up to ann is last row. Therefore it is equation 3. Y is equal to T into x, matrix y equal to matrix T into matrix x is equation 4. Matrix x equal to T inverse matrix y is equation 5. Therefore y minus y bar matrix equal to matrix T into x minus x bar matrix, equation 6, and x minus x bar matrix equal to matrix T inverse y minus y bar matrix and so on, and y minus x bar transpose equal to x minus x bar transpose into T matrix transpose is equation 8. That the elements of T inverse as Bij, then matrix T inverse equal to b11, b22 and so on up to b1n, and matrix is the first row, and b21, b22 and so on up to b2n is second row, and so on up to bn1, bn2 and so on up to bnn is the last row. It's matrix 9. Therefore from equation 5, xi equal to b1 y1 plus b12 y2 and so on up to bin yn, and dxi dyj equal to dt1 t inverse by dy inverse is equal to bij. Therefore mod j equal to mod matrix T inverse is equation 10. X minus x bar equal to bi1 of y minus y1 bar plus b12 of y2 minus y2 bar plus and so on up to bin yn minus yn bar. Sigma k equal to 1 up to n b inverse bix y k minus y bar k is equation 11. Now xi c of xi xj, therefore e of xi minus x bar into xj minus x1 bar, e of sigma k equal to 1 to n bik y minus yk bar, sigma m equal to 1 to n bjm ym minus ym bar. Therefore that is equal to cij cxi cxj equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n bik m equal to sigma m equal to 1 to n bjm into cyk and into cym is the equation 12. Here cxi cxj is the ijth element of the covariance matrix cx, cyk ym is kmth element of covariance matrix cy, bik is the ikth element of inverse transform matrix T inverse. Thank you. Now I want to say about crystal oscillator in AC. If the potential is applied between the electrodes, focus will be extended on the beyond changes within the crystals or deformation takes place. So an electrical system is found which will vibrate when properly excited, and the electrical representation is which contains inductor, resistor and capacitor, two capacitors. Resistor is very largely less, so it is neglected. Therefore, at last the electrical representation contains inductor and two capacitors, one capacitor C and C dash. As the psychoelectrical crystal needs acts like as inductor, then J x equal to 1 by J omega C dash, which is equal to J omega L plus 1 by J omega C. Therefore, Jx equal to 1 by J omega C dash into J omega L plus 1 by J omega C by 1 by J omega C dash plus J omega L plus 1 by J omega C. By simplification, we get plus Jx equal to minus J by omega C dash of omega square minus omega S square by omega square minus omega square P, where omega square S equal to 1 by LC, omega square P is equal to 1 by L of 1 by C plus 1 by C dash. Here we know that C dash is very greater than C. Therefore, 1 by C dash is very less than 1 by C. The difference between Ws and Wp is very less. Therefore, Wp greater than Ws. In the graph representation, we get 10 up to Ws and Wp is located at center. Then we get again 10 form. As we know that W omega equal to 0, Jx equal to infinity, it represents capacitor. When omega less than omega S, Jx equal to negative, it represents also capacitor. When omega equal to omega S, Jx equal to 0, it doesn't represent anything. When omega S less than omega P, Jx equal to positive. Therefore, it is known as inductor. When omega is equal to omega P, Jx equal to negative. Therefore, it is capacitor. When omega greater than omega P, Jx equal to negative. Therefore, this is also called capacitor. It also represents capacitor. And this is the information about crystal oscillator. Thank you. Now I want to say about Faraday's laws in EMFW. Faraday's laws. The Faraday's law links the electric magnetic fields. Oersted demonstrated that a wire carrying an electric current causes a deflection in the magnetic compass. He also demonstrated that the magnetic field is in phi direction. If the current is in z direction, then Faraday developed the following hypothesis. If a current can produce a magnetic field, then the converse should be true. That is, a magnetic field should produce the current in a wire. To prove his hypothesis, he constructed numerous experiments in his laboratory over a period of 10 years. Finally, his experiments led to a true answer. The magnetic field produces the electric current only when there is a relative movement or relative motion between them. Statement. Proof. Statement. The induced EMF in a closed circuit is equal to the time rate of change of magnetic flux linkage by the circuit. That is, VEMF equal to d phi by dt equal to d minus d by dt of n sigma. That is equal to VEMF equal to minus n into d xi by dt. Therefore, where n equal to number of turns in a closed circuit, phi equal to flux through each turn, that is negative sign shows that induced voltage acts in such a way as oppose the flux producing it. VEMF equal to minus N into d psi by dt. If N equal to 1, VEMF equal to minus d phi by d psi by dt, that is equal to minus d by dt integral s to infinity s ds. Therefore, by simplification, we get VEMF is equal to phi of E into dl. Total work done is done by the field is sigma phi E into dl is equal to VEMF. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 1. We get del xe is equal to minus dou v by dou t. Time varying electric field is not constructive. This is the modified first Maxwell's equation for dynamic fields. In equation 3, it does not implies that the principle of conservation of energy is violated. The work done is taking change about a closed path in the time varying field is due to the energy from the time varying magnetic field. That's it. This is about Faraday's laws in EMFW. Thank you. Have a good day.